Hello and welcome to another trip report, and welcome to Belgrade, the capital of Serbia. This evening I'm going to be taking Air Serbia, the successor airline to JAT, if anyone remembers them from the Yugoslav days. I'm taking their ATR-72 between here in Belgrade and Zagreb. It's a flight just over an hour and 10 minutes, so it's a very short hop really. I'm hoping we're going to see a nice sunset at some point on the route. Let's go and check out and see what Air Serbia have to offer. One thing I totally forgot about when I was in the lounge is that actually security here is done at the gate. It's not done as you enter through passport control or go airside. Each gate area has its own security checkpoint, so I actually managed to cut it pretty fine coming out of the lounge by accident. Not really my style. We're boarding in about 2 minutes and I've just got here. Thank you.
detectors. That's fine, I'll thank you.
Gospodo, dobrodošli u Zagreb. Lokalno vrijeme 19 časova i 30 minuta i spoljašnja temperatura je 22 stepena Celzijusa. Molimo vas da ostanete na svojim sedištima dok ne isključimo znak za obavezno vezivanje. Također budite pažljivi prilikom otvaranja gornjih polica i pri izlasku iz aviona provjerite da li ste poneli sav svoj prtljag. Nadamo se da vam je let sa nama bio prijetan. U ime kapetana gospodina Hadžića i mojih kolega zahvaljujem vam što ste leteli Air Srbijom i radujemo se novom susretu sa vama na nekom od naših sljedećih letova. Posjetite naš website airserbia.com ili nas pratite na društvenim mrežama. Hvala još jednom i doviđenja. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Zagreb. The local time here is 30 minutes past 7 p.m. with an outside temperature of 22 degrees Celsius. Please keep your seatbelt fastened until we switch off.
Thank you, bye-bye. And that's it, guys. Welcome to Zagreb in Croatia, where it is very muggy, and I'm not sure if you just heard, it's still very thundery. Really was a bonus actually to get an electrical storm on camera. I'm not quite sure how good the footage is going to come out at this point in time, and I think there's going to be some clips that I'll have to remove because some passengers were quite noticeably anxious on that flight, with a few people getting quite upset. So I'm not going to include any clips that show or where you can hear people getting anxious, because I don't think that's very fair. However, it was an awful lot of fun for me as an enthusiast to go through an electrical storm. I'm not sure I've captured that on my channel before. I'm overnighting here in Zagreb near the airport before heading on to Split tomorrow, and there's another roll of thunder. I'm heading on to Split tomorrow with Croatia Airlines in a Dash 8 Q400 in business class, and then connecting back through to London on an A320 aircraft with Croatia Airlines from Split. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing over the next 24 hours. I hope you enjoyed coming with me, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do. Plenty more videos to come this year. Anyways, I'll see you next time.